Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Kai, and today I am going to be doing an unboxing of my new Wazor professional blow dryer. So I found this on Amazon, and I saw the reviews and it just looked really nice, and I was just like, okay, I'm gonna go ahead and get one because I need one. The packaging is really nice, and then when you open it, it's just beautiful. It looks so professional and it looks just really nice quality, and it comes with 4 different attachments, and also of course the blow dryer itself, which is matte black and rose gold, which I absolutely love because it's very much my personality and my look and my go-to kind of aesthetic. So with this particular one, I have used it and it is pretty amazing. This comb attachment is my favorite part to it because I actually blow dried my hair straight and it really got my hair straight. I did not have to flat iron it afterward. I just put in a heat protectant, a little bit of oil, and leave-in conditioner, and blow dried my hair straight, and it was perfection. I love it. And so again, I got this on Amazon because I was looking for a new blow dryer, and I was like going through looking for something with like rose gold detail, and I found this one and it had great reviews. I believe it was 4.5 out of 5 in regards to the score. And with this particular one, you have 3 settings. Of course, it's off, low, and high, and then you can do cool, warm, or hot, and you also have the cool blast so you can seal your cuticles. Also, it has a really long cord, but it does not have the swivel feature, which is not terrible, but it would be like even better if it had that feature. Again, I'm just showing you here the attachment of the attachment that I use, which I feel is freaking amazing. And again, through this video, I'm going to show you some additional information about this particular blow dryer, and so you'll be able to see like what it scored on Amazon and just some additional detail. And here you can see these are the instructions that come with it. So these instructions are in different languages, so you definitely will have options. But yeah. Now moving on to the additional information part, this particular blow dryer is the 1875 watt, and it's got the negative ion, so that way it keeps your hair nice and shiny. It's very soft to the touch, it's very smooth, very sleek. It really does dry your hair really fast, and it's so nice. And you can find all of this information also on Amazon as well. And also here you will see the ASIN number, and you can put this number into Amazon and it will allow you to go ahead and find this particular model. Actually, I was mistaken. It's 4.7 out of 5 stars. So it's gotten a really good review. It's pretty lightweight. It's 4.3 pounds with everything in the packaging. And yeah, so far I am really into it, and I am loving the product. So that's all for today, guys. I hope you enjoy. Please make sure you go ahead, comment, like, and subscribe. And if you're on the lookout for a brand new blow dryer, you should definitely try this one out. It is really nice. It works so well, and I hope that it continues to work really well over the time that I have it, and hopefully it lasts a really long time. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please look forward to more, and I will be back on Friday with a new video. I love you guys, and you have a wonderful day. Bye guys.